beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am AGATHA Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together.
Of the press, a few hours ago, we received an informal report that the opening of Anambra International Cargo and Passenger Airport will have to be deferred on security grounds. We are not told exactly what constituted security threats in this context. The people of Anambra are disappointed. So does the government. Most Anambra people believe that this is politically motivated, especially against the background of the election holding on November 6th. We are studying the situation carefully, and the governor is discussing this matter with the highest authorities in the land. We are very much aware that the president is not aware of these developments. He's out of the country, and we are making contacts to reach you. We also understand that some other people in government who are in a position to know have not been informed officially. Therefore, the entire development is suspect. Any questions?
This is what we are talking about. These are some of the reasons why the people said they are tired of this marriage and they want to go. They need another new girlfriend to get married to, so they want to go. The marriage is them over. What is the message that he has passed across? I can remember yesterday the governor of Anambra State posted, and he was very happy that this is another wonderful new dawn to the people of Anambra. That is one good thing that is coming to Anambra State, and this thing is going to take place 30th of October will be the opening of the international airport in Anambra. FG stop the opening of Anambra airport. Fulani cabals in Aso Rock stopped the opening of Anambra State International Airport on security grounds. You hear it from him. That is what he said. Yet, Maiduguri and Katsina, Plateau, and so many other states in the northern part of Nigeria that is so filled up with terrorism, banditry, and insecurity, they still operate. They are still in progress. Now you can see the reason that the people that are delaying the coming of Biafra, they are the enemies within. Who are the enemies within? These are the people. They don't understand anything at all. Their brain is so blocked that they don't even seek anything in. So now tell me, after the rejoicing and everything that the Anambra State governor have made people to understand that on Saturday is going to be blow in Anambra, what will happen next? You see that there is nobody ruling this country called Nigeria. Muhammadu Buhari just left it for them that they can do whatsoever they want to do. It is simple that if they lie, they put it under security purpose, nobody cares. As we all know, the indigenous people of Biafra have said it. They had no interest in the Anambra State election for November 6th. However, they said sit-at-home exercise across the southeastern part of Nigeria commenced from the eve of Anambra State election, which is going to be held on 6th of November. And the only option that the IPOP understand right now is to release the leader of Biafra, His Excellency Nnamdi Kanu. That is just what they asked for. Failure to release him from November 4th. Total lockdown from November 5th to on 10th of November. Do you guys know that a lot of groups, individuals, leaders, they are now so concerned about the IPOP sit at home, which Nigeria police have seen as a threat to the governorship election in Anambra? That is their plan. So that is one of the reasons why they decide to shut down the Anambra international airport opening. But it's nobody's business because it's their business as usual. What we are concerned is this: we've been telling all these people that you are not welcome in that area. Nobody needs you. You are not welcome. Tell me, what has been going on in the northern part of Nigeria and what is taking place right now in the southern part of Nigeria? I know that it's not good, it's very unfair, it's bad, but when you look at it in one way, the one in the northern part of Nigeria is worst. But since then, nobody say anything about it. Rather, they're shocking it and they pet them like babies. Can you pick out a point and say this is what the bandits really need, or this is what the Boku really need? No, you can't pick out anything. Only what they are saying is that they are petty criminals. That because they did not have flag like Biafra, so they are petty criminals. They acknowledge this bandit more than any other person. And the rate of terrorism in the northern part of Nigeria is them worst. So tell me, if they cannot approach or apprehend what is in their hands, what is falling before them, how come did they think that is the one in Anambra State that they can handle? Can you imagine this? Even the Bible makes us to understand that before you remove dirty from somebody's eyes, you first of all remove the speck that is in your eyes, so you will see clearly to remove the one that is in your neighbor's eyes. You have this thing even more than what every human being can ever imagine in the northern part of Nigeria, but you pretend and come out minding the southeastern part of Nigeria alone because your target and your agenda is all evil. So the leaders in the southeastern part of Nigeria just need to evaluate themselves. Let them see where they are falling apart, so that they can have a U-turn. Because the way the thing is right now, crying is the order of the day because it started happening already. If all this that they are saying is because of the Anambra State election, when they deploy thousands of soldiers to Anambra just because of this election, then why are they closing the international airport? What is their fear? Biafrans made their demands know that they are not interested in any election. So I see no reason why sit at home will be a problem. When somebody is sitting in his or her apartment, his or her home, what is the person going to do in international airport or coming out? Nobody is coming out. Total lockdown. So if you do not have food, just make sure you buy a lot of food at home. Just total lockdown. The people, they don't care, they don't bother. So there is no need of you saying you want to close international airport. Why? What is the motive behind it? I don't really see the international airport as a threat because anybody that want to travel, can still do what they want to do. It's just that people have different agenda. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, reporting this live and direct. And if you know you haven't joined this family, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see. From me to you, I say bye.